Protests and demonstrations in Israel against judicial reforms have reignited. Tens of thousands of Israeli protesters have demonstrated in Tel Aviv and other cities. The protests were held against proposed changes to the judicial system. The judicial reforms have sparked fear of a more authoritarian government. Demonstrators have kept up the pressure with weekly rallies against the government of Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. He returned to power in December at the head of a coalition with ultra-Orthodox, Jewish and extreme right allies. Israeli media estimated the turnout at Saturday's protest in Tel Aviv at 150,000. This is the 27th such demonstration since the proposed changes were unveiled in January. The latest spell of protests took place ahead of a vote on Monday in Parliament on a key provision of the proposed overhaul. Reports said that the police used water cannon to disperse some 100 demonstrators who blocked a main highway in the coastal city. The government argues that the judicial changes are necessary to ensure a better balance of power. On the other hand, critics say that these reforms would give politicians more power over the courts. In the meantime, Benjamin Netanyahu has renewed his bid. The protests subsided a little since late March. Under pressure at home and abroad, Netanyahu suspended the plan for compromise talks with opposition parties meant to reach a broad agreement over judicial changes. However, deeming the talks pointless last month, Netanyahu relaunched his government's quest to control what it sees as an overreaching, left-leaning and elitist Supreme Court. This inevitably caused renewed protests. Organizers have announced a day of protest for Tuesday as well. Netanyahu claimed that the new proposals are more moderate than the original. Monday will see the first reading of a bill aimed at excluding the judiciary's right to rule on the reasonableness of the government decisions. One of its potential effects would be on the appointment of ministers. It is to be noted that in January, Netanyahu was forced to dismiss cabinet member Aryeh Deri after intervention by the Supreme Court over a previous tax evasion conviction. The government's drive to overhaul the judiciary has stirred fears for Israel's democratic health and dented the economy. As a result of the protests and unrest in the country, their currency, the shekel, has fallen by more than 5% since the demonstrations began.